Do not go far from me.
You've been saying that our whole life.